Most people want to start a YouTube channel, but they don't want to show their face, don't have equipment, and don't know editing. Today, I'll show you how to start using only free AI tools. Editing takes time. Filming is uncomfortable. Tools are expensive. Well, let's just skip all of that. How? AI now does everything for you. First, we need a script. For that, I like to use ChatGPT. It's easy, free, and effective. Okay, now let's give ChatGPT a detailed description of the script we want it to generate. Here's an example of that. You can pause the video now to read it and get the idea. As you can see, this is the script ChatGPT gave us according to my description earlier. You can edit this to match your style. I like the result, don't you? Tell me in a comment. Now that we have the script, we need a voice. And for that, I'm going to use 11 Labs. Perfect if you don't want to speak, don't have a microphone, or don't feel confident yet. 11 Labs can do it for you. This tool turns text into realistic human voiceovers. All I have to do is paste the script we just created, choose a voice, and click Generate. I'm copying the script that ChatGPT just created for us, and I'm pasting it here. Then I choose a voice. For YouTube, I recommend something clear and natural. You can test different voices until you find one you like. And now we click Generate, and within seconds, AI will turn the text into speech voiceover. Now listen to this.
A problem many people want to start a channel on YouTube, but they stop before they begin. They think, I don't look good on camera. I don't know how to edit. I don't have money for gear. So they keep watching others succeed while their own.
A very natural, professional voiceover. No recording, no mistakes, no editing. Any beginner can do this immediately. Try it yourself. There's a link in the video description. Now that we have our script and our voice, let's turn this into a full video. This is where most people think it gets complicated, but AI makes it simple. I'm going to use In-Video AI. This tool can create an entire video automatically. No editing skills needed. I'll choose the option to create a video from text. Then I paste the script here. And then I click Generate. Now the AI will find clips, images, subtitles, and scenes automatically. This usually takes just a few minutes. Normally, this process would take hours if you did it manually. And here's the result.
Imagine running a YouTube channel, getting views, subscribers, and income without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without being a video expert. Today,
you can see it added visuals, transitions, and captions. If you want, you can customize everything. Change clips, colors, text, or music. But even without editing, this is already usable. I'll just upload the AI voice we created with 11 Labs earlier, and the video is basically done.
Imagine running a YouTube channel, easy start to getting views and subscribers and income. Without showing your face, without expensive equipment, and without being a video expert. Today, AI can do most of the work for you if you are a beginner.
So even if you have zero experience, you can still create videos like this. And that's how you can start a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. If you want to try these tools, you'll find the links in the description. Start today. Your first video could change everything. If you want more tutorials on making money with AI and YouTube, subscribe to the channel. I'm documenting everything step by step.